How to increase brain power at any age. Whether you're a student preparing for exams, a professional looking to advance your career, or someone enjoying retirement, this video offers valuable insights to help you think clearly, maintain focus, and unlock your full cognitive potential. The brain is a complex organ responsible for processing information, coordinating actions, and facilitating thoughts, emotions, and memories. It operates through a network of neurons that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. This intricate system enables various cognitive functions, including learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Since proper brain function is crucial, let's explore 14 evidence-based methods to enhance brain power at any age. Okay, let's dive in. Number 14. Eat less added sugar. Consuming too much added sugar is associated with various health problems and chronic diseases, including cognitive decline. Research indicates that a diet high in sugar can negatively impact memory and decrease brain volume, particularly in the regions responsible for short-term memory. A study involving over 4,000 participants found that those with a higher intake of sugary beverages, like soda, had lower total brain volumes and poorer memory performance on average, compared to those who consumed less sugar. Reducing sugar intake not only enhances memory, but also improves overall health. Number 13. Fish oil supplements. Fish oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. These fats are essential for overall health and have been shown to lower the risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, alleviate stress and anxiety, and slow down mental decline. Numerous studies indicate that consuming fish and taking fish oil supplements may enhance memory, particularly in older adults. A 2015 review of 28 studies found that adults experiencing mild memory loss saw improvements in their episodic memory when they took supplements rich in DHA and EPA, such as fish oil. Both DHA and EPA are crucial for maintaining brain health and function. They also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with cognitive decline. You can find the link to high-quality fish oil supplements in the video description. Number 12. Make time for meditation. Meditation can have numerous positive effects on your health. It is a relaxing and soothing practice that has been shown to reduce stress and pain, lower blood pressure, and even enhance memory. Research indicates that meditation can increase the amount of gray matter in the brain. Gray matter contains the cell bodies of neurons, and as we age, the amount of gray matter tends to decline, which can adversely affect memory and cognitive function. Meditation and relaxation techniques have been found to improve short-term memory in individuals of all ages, from young adults in their 20s to older individuals. One study revealed that Taiwanese college students who practiced mindfulness meditation had significantly better spatial working memory than those who did not engage in such practices. Spatial working memory is the ability to hold and process information about the positions of objects in space. Number 11. Maintain a moderate weight. Maintaining a moderate body weight is crucial for overall well-being and is one of the best ways to keep your body and mind in optimal condition. Several studies have identified obesity as a significant risk factor for cognitive decline. Obesity can lead to changes in memory-related genes in the brain, which can negatively affect memory. Additionally, it may result in insulin resistance and inflammation, which can harm cognitive function. A study involving 50 participants aged 18 to 35 found that a higher body mass index was linked to significantly poorer performance on memory tests. Furthermore, obesity is associated with an increased risk of developing Alzheimer's disease, a progressive condition that destroys memory and cognitive abilities. Number 10. Get enough sleep. Lack of proper sleep has long been linked to poor memory. Sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation, the process where short-term memories are strengthened and transformed into long-lasting ones. Research indicates that sleep deprivation can negatively impact memory. One study examined the effects of sleep on 40 children aged 10 to 14 years. One group was trained on memory tests in the evening and then tested the following morning after a night's sleep. The other group was trained and tested on the same day without any sleep in between. The children who had slept performed 20% better on the memory tests. Another study revealed that nurses working the night shift made more mathematical errors. 68% of them scored lower on memory tests than nurses on the day shift. Health experts recommend that adults aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal health. Number 9. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a mental state in which you focus on your present situation, maintaining awareness of your surroundings and feelings. While mindfulness is often practiced in meditation, the two are not the same. Meditation is a more formal practice, whereas mindfulness is a mental habit that can be applied in any situation. Research has shown that mindfulness can effectively reduce stress and enhance concentration and memory. A study involving 293 psychology students found that those who received mindfulness training performed better in recognition memory tasks when recalling objects, compared to students who did not receive such training. Additionally, mindfulness has been associated with a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline and an overall improvement in psychological well-being. You can incorporate mindfulness techniques into your daily routine by paying close attention to your present situation, focusing on your breathing, and gently redirecting your attention when your mind begins to wander. Number 8. Drink alcohol in moderation. Consuming too many alcoholic beverages can harm your health and negatively affect your memory. Binge drinking refers to consuming enough alcohol to raise your blood alcohol concentration to 0.08 grams per milliliter or higher. Research has shown that this pattern of drinking alters brain function and leads to memory deficits. A study involving 155 college freshmen found that students who consumed 6 or more drinks in a single event, whether weekly or monthly, struggled with both immediate and delayed memory recall compared to those who did not engage in binge drinking. Alcohol has neurotoxic effects on the brain, and repeated binge drinking can damage the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory function. While having 1 or 2 drinks occasionally is generally considered acceptable, limiting excessive alcohol intake is a wise choice to protect your memory. Number 7. Train your brain. Exercising your cognitive skills through brain games is a fun and effective way to enhance your memory. Games such as crosswords, word recall activities, Tetris, and dedicated memory training mobile apps are excellent options for strengthening your memory. One study involving 42 adults with mild cognitive impairment found that participants who played games on a brain training app for 8 hours over a 4-week period showed improvement in memory test performance. Another study with 4,715 participants revealed that engaging in an online brain training program for at least 15 minutes a day, 5 days a week, significantly improved short-term memory, working memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills compared to a control group. Additionally, brain training games have been found to help reduce the risk of dementia in older adults. If the video provides helpful information, consider subscribing to the channel. Number 6. Limit refined carbs. Eating large amounts of refined carbohydrates, such as cakes, cereals, cookies, white rice, and white bread, may harm your memory. These foods have a high glycemic index, which means the body digests them quickly, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Research has shown that the Western diet, characterized by high amounts of refined carbohydrates, is linked to dementia, cognitive decline, and reduced cognitive function. A study involving 317 healthy Korean children found that those who consumed more processed carbohydrates like white rice, noodles, and fast food had lower cognitive capacity, including poorer short-term and working memory. Another study indicated that adults who ate ready-to-eat breakfast cereal daily demonstrated poorer cognitive function compared to those who consumed it less frequently. Number 5. Vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is a crucial nutrient that performs many essential functions in the body. Low vitamin D levels have been associated with various health issues, including a decline in cognitive function. A study that tracked 318 older adults over 5 years found that those with blood levels of vitamin D below 20 nanograms per milliliter experienced faster memory and cognitive decline compared to those with normal vitamin D levels. Furthermore, low vitamin D levels have been linked to an increased risk of developing dementia. Vitamin D deficiency is quite common, particularly in colder climates and among individuals with darker skin. If you are concerned about your vitamin D levels, consider speaking with your doctor about getting a blood test to determine if you need a vitamin D supplement. Number 4. Exercise. Exercise is essential for both physical and mental health. Research shows that it benefits brain function and enhances memory in individuals of all ages, from children to older adults. A study involving 144 participants aged 19 to 93 found that just 15 minutes of moderate exercise on a stationary bike led to improved cognitive performance, including memory, across all age groups. Numerous studies indicate that exercise may stimulate the production of neuroprotective proteins and promote the growth and development of neurons, which contributes to better brain health. Additionally, engaging in regular exercise during midlife is linked to a reduced risk of developing dementia later in life. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory foods. Eating a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods may help enhance your memory. Antioxidants lower inflammation in the body by reducing oxidative stress caused by free radicals. You can find antioxidants in fruits, vegetables, and teas. A recent review of 9 studies involving more than 31,000 people found that those who consumed more fruits and vegetables had a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia compared to those who ate fewer of these nutritious foods. Berries, in particular, are high in antioxidants like flavonoids and anthocyanins. Incorporating them into your diet may be an effective way to prevent memory loss. Number 2. Curcumin. Curcumin is a compound found in turmeric root and is classified as a polyphenol. It is a potent antioxidant with powerful anti-inflammatory effects on the body. Research has shown that curcumin reduces oxidative damage and inflammation in the brain and decreases the amount of amyloid plaques. These plaques accumulate on neurons, leading to cell and tissue death, which can contribute to memory loss. The buildup of amyloid plaques may play a role in the progression of Alzheimer's disease. While more human studies are needed to understand curcumin's effects on memory better, some research suggests that it may help boost memory and prevent cognitive decline. Number 1. Add cocoa to your diet. Cocoa is not only delicious, but also nutritious, as it provides a significant amount of antioxidants, known as flavonoids. Research indicates that flavonoids may be particularly beneficial for the brain. They can help stimulate the growth of blood vessels and neurons and increase blood flow to brain areas involved in memory. A study involving 30 healthy individuals found that those who consumed dark chocolate containing 720 milligrams of cocoa flavonoids showed better memory performance compared to those who consumed white chocolate without cocoa flavonoids. To maximize the benefits of chocolate, choose dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or higher. This ensures a higher concentration of antioxidants like flavonoids. So, these are the 14 methods to enhance brain power at any age. You should also watch the video about the 7 proven methods to stay younger for longer. See you and stay healthy.